In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a full sales funnel in GoHighLevel. Log in to your GoHighLevel account and open your company dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Sites, then into Funnels, and click New Funnel. A quick refresher before we build. A sales funnel is a guided sequence of pages that turns visitors into leads and customers, letting you track performance at each stage so you can improve results. Choose Create from Blank for full control. Give your funnel a clear name such as Sales Funnel and click Create. Inside the funnel, add your first step by selecting Add New Step or Import, then name it Opt-in Page. This is your lead capture page, where visitors trade their contact details for something valuable. Keep the headline clear, the promise specific, and the form brief to boost conversions. Click Create Funnel Step to save it. Next, add a new step and name it Thank You Page. This confirms the sign-up and sets expectations. Deliver the promised resource and outline what happens next. Click Create Funnel Step. Now add another step for your order form. This is where buyers enter payment details and complete the purchase. Keep the offer focused, reinforce key benefits, and include trust elements like guarantees or brief testimonials. Click Create Funnel Step. Add a new step again and call it Upsell. An upsell presents a complimentary, higher-value add-on immediately after the main purchase to increase your average order value. Keep the copy concise, highlight the main benefit, and, if your setup allows, use one-click acceptance tied to the original payment. Click Create Funnel Step. Then add one more step called Thank You Confirmation. This final page acts as a receipt and access point, summarizing the order and directing customers to delivery or onboarding. Click Create Funnel Step. With your pages in place, open the Products area for the relevant step and click Add Product. Choose to create a new product, enter the product name, and save it. Select that product so it's associated with your checkout step. Confirm essential details like price and fulfillment to match your offer. To make your funnel live, go to Publishing. Publishing controls the live URL, the domain you'll use, and basic SEO details. Set a clean path, choose the correct domain, and make sure the title and description are accurate. When everything looks good, click Update Step to apply changes. That's your complete GoHighLevel funnel. Opt-in, thank you, order form, upsell, and final confirmation, connected to your product and ready to go. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.